So now let's talk about, is your website set up for conversion? First thing is, does it speak to your avatar? Remember, we've got to communicate in their language towards the things that are on their mind. Does it address their fears, their frustrations? Does it speak to why they ought to choose you as opposed to someone else? Does it have authentic images of your team on the homepage or throughout the website? Does it include video elements? Video is always great. It keeps people on your page longer. Video actually converts better than text. Some ideas for that would be a website welcome video, a video for each of the services that you offer, a video explaining why someone should contact you instead of your competition. Does it showcase your online reviews more prominently on the homepage? You can do that with a tool like Bird Eye or Review Buzz. Does it make it easy for the person to take action and get in contact with your company? That's the biggest thing. We want to go straight to the heart of what we're trying to do. We want you to call us. We want you to put a form request in. Somehow we want to be talking to you, the prospect. And then we want to get the basics in order. Phone number is in one of the corners. Ensure, and predominantly you're going to put it in the right corner. Sometimes you'll have it in the left, depending on what all else is there. Ensure that there's a web form that customers can fill out. Add your credibility symbols, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Chamber of Commerce, whatever you want to have on there. Are there calls to action on each page to speak to your customer avatar and tell them exactly what to do next? And are you giving them the opportunity to engage via chat? Chat is becoming a predominant medium for people to communicate. In the case of Wichita Homeworks, about a third of their leads are now coming in through Google Business Profile Messenger and Facebook Messenger. So roughly, 35%, 36% are coming through chat and message. So it's something you want to make sure you're taking advantage of. And then leverage marketing automation and SMS to maximize your lead conversion rates. And here's the reason for that. In today's world, people are used to getting a response within about 5 minutes. And so if you've got some automation in place, so as soon as that lead contacts you, that they get some kind of automation, an email, a text message, a messenger message, what you're going to find is your conversion rates are much better. You're going to find that prospect attaches to you much more quickly because of the response time.